Are you sure it's worth leaving this soft cushion?
Totally. They say eating it makes you dream really weird stuff.
Weird dreams might be worth it.
Don't you think the prettier path is more suspicious? Let's go that way.
You're not the first today.
Wait, did it just talk? What do you mean first?
First to seek the fruit. If you want a path,
I can't smell anything anymore.
Stay close. Fog tricks sound and distance.
Did you hear that?
Always easier to look before you leap.